Hello, I'm Uluk Beknur Mohamedov. I'm an assistant professor in the TESOL program at Northeastern Illinois University, Chicago, Illinois. In this tutorial, I want to share with you some of my favorite online English learners dictionaries. So please note, online English learners dictionaries. There are lots of dictionaries out there. I mean, you can look up the meaning of a word using Google, for example, right? But please note, Google dictionaries are designed for a general audience, for native speakers of English, or for very advanced learners of English, while learners dictionaries are specifically designed for learners, okay? So it offers a lot of benefits to learners of English. I'm a non-native speaker of English myself, and I always take advantage of the usefulness of learners dictionaries. Why? Because they help me improve accuracy in my writing and speaking. I was so passionate about these dictionaries that I ended up actually writing a paper that was published in the English Language Teaching Forum, okay? So if you are a teacher out there, so please take a look at these dictionaries, and I hope that your students who happen to be non-native speakers of English or even native speakers of English will benefit from these dictionaries. So let me just start one by one some of the features of these dictionaries. First one, Macmillan Learners Dictionaries. I just love it because it's free. Just to let you know, because it's free, it has these pop-ups that appear time to time, but the content is okay. So imagine I want to know how I can use the word mistake, right? So please note, right, mistake is given, and there is a US pronunciation, and there are 3 stars. So what are the red stars, especially 3? These are the most high frequently used words. In other words, every learner should know these words, okay? So if I'm a learner, and if I don't know the word mistake, and if when I look at the 3 stars, that basically means that I have to know this word because this word is used frequently, okay? And now look at it, right? There is a definition, and also some of the words are bolded. Make a mistake, right? It's a collocation, right? Or correct a mistake, right? These phrases are used frequently, and we learners need to know these words, right? And also other entries for this word, you can find them here, right? And more collocations, are given. So if I click on that, so, there are phrases. These are bad mistake, big mistake, careless mistake, right? Phrases are here. And so, whenever you have the chance, please, explore these Macmillan Dictionary, and also encourage your students pay attention to the red words, okay? So the next one is Oxford Learners Dictionaries, okay? Please note that most of these learners dictionaries have this learner between, the title and the word dictionary. So imagine as a learner, I really want to know how to use the word alternative, right? Okay, just like Macmillan Dictionary, there are some speaker buttons, and when you
alternative, alternative.
So British and American pronunciations are provided. And please note, right, there is A2, right? Because the words of these dictionaries are aligned to the CAFR, so Common European Framework of Reference. Maybe some of your teachers out there, you know what CAFR really means, right? So it's a standard which is commonly used in European countries and also very popular in Asia, right? So these Oxford Learners Dictionaries actually provide you with that kind of information, okay? So just like Macmillan Dictionary that gave you star indication, while Oxford Dictionary actually will give you either A1, A2, B1, B2, and these kind of indications, because these dictionaries are aligned with CAFR. So take a look at it, right? There are lots of example sentences, and we know that example sentences are very important because, by reading the example sentences, we learners will be able to use the words correctly, or we at least will know how the word can be used correctly, right? So, and there are also synonyms. So, the students who love dictionaries, they can also take a look at the extra examples here, right? Oh, it's also connected to the Oxford Collocations Dictionary, right? So if the students want to know what kind of verbs to use with alternative, what kind of adjectives to use with alternative, and phrases associated with alternative, here it is, right? So again, this dictionary is also designed for learners of English. Now, the last but not least is Cambridge Dictionary, Cambridge Learners Dictionaries. Oh, look at it. For Spanish speakers, they even have English, Spanish, Spanish, English. So I just want to, type the word, let's say, conscious. So when you type it, I told you that these are free dictionaries. That's why sometimes things will pop up, right? The commercials will pop up here and there. So I mean, take a look at it, right? There's a definition, example sentences, just like Oxford Learners Dictionaries. You will see this number, which is because this is aligned to CFR, and also lots of collocations and also phrases related to the word conscious. So please take a look at them, okay? And there is one more Longman Dictionary and also Merriam-Webster's Learner's Dictionary. So yeah, and if you're a teacher and if you would like to know more about the features of Learner's Dictionaries, please take a look at my article and encourage your students to use Learner's Dictionaries, because Learner's Dictionaries, unlike other Google stuff, are designed specifically for learners of English. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you and useful for you. Good luck. Enjoy learning new words.